before you conclude that this won't work, just hold on and hear me out. My hair visibly stays in one place for 2 whole years, and Ayurvedic herbs have helped me so much. Ayurvedic herbs are so underrated. I don't know, maybe because it is herbs. Moisturizing and hydrating your hair are so important too, and natural hair also need time and care to grow. Let's go on this natural journey together. My hair videos are remedies to care and grow long hair. One of these remedies is neem leaves, which is also known as dongoyaro in Yoruba. It is used for hair growth and fighting scalp infections. If you suffer from dandruff, scalp itchiness, you should be able to see visible results after 2 weeks of consistent use. So, to make this, get your jar, pour in your neem leaf, but make sure your neem leaf is clean before using, because I rinse mine and sun dry it, so it is very very dry, so I only use my hand to break them into pieces. So after that, add in your oil, but in this video I'm using lavender oil, so you can use any oil of your choice, but I'm using lavender oil. So I mixed together very well. As you can see, this neem leaf is so powerful. The benefit of these neem leaves helps treat dandruff, scalp infections, and hair loss. It also helps in strengthening your hair, preventing hair fall and promoting hair growth. So after this, you cover your jar and leave for 2 days. So the neem leaf can infuse into the oil. So with this, after leaving for overnight or 2 days, then you sieve it.